Would you like to learn how to take a stand against bullying? Stay tuned after the break.
Hello and happy Sunday. I'm Diane Kornegay, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. October is World Bullying Prevention Month, and in our schools we encourage kindness and acceptance all year long. But in October, schools and communities around the world approach the topic with a laser focus. To ensure that all of our students have a safe, positive, and nurturing educational environment, we strictly prohibit and do not tolerate bullying or harassment in our schools. Bullying is an intentional and repeated display of an imbalance of power. It takes on many forms. It can include physical harm or threats, insults, taunts, and intentional exclusion. It can also include rumors or lies, hurtful graffiti or social media posts, intimidation, and public humiliation. The list is long and the results can be devastating. Sometimes victims of bullying are not forthcoming about their experience, but often they exhibit symptoms such as the reluctance to attend school activities, an unexplained drop in academic performance, or a sad and depressed demeanor. If you suspect that your child is being bullied, you or the student can report it verbally to an adult at school. You can complete a bullying or harassment reporting form that you can pick up at the school or download from the school or district website. You also can report it anonymously at 1-800-423-TIPS. Either way, we will follow up. Students found to have participated in bullying in violation of our Code of Conduct will face consequences that could include suspension. The better course of action is to prevent bullying from ever happening. We can do that together by encouraging kindness and acceptance as a standard practice in our schools. We can also show our commitment on Unity Day, Wednesday, October 19th, when schools and communities across the country will wear orange to show a unified support for bullying prevention. Let's come together in Lake to visibly show that we believe no child should ever experience bullying. If we take a stand against bullying, the children will follow our lead. Thank you for working with us to keep our students and our schools safe.